How to install Premiere Composer free plugin in Premiere Pro. So if you want to install the Premiere Composer free plugin in Premiere Pro, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser and then go with search. And here you need to search for Premiere Composer. Go with the first link and you'll get this kind of interface. Just simply go with login, which will be in the top right. And then you can continue with your Google or with your Google account. If you want to use a temporary email, you can do that as well. So I'll just simply use my own email address. And after logging in, we'll get this kind of interface. Just simply go with the download button. Go with download products, which will be in the middle of your screen. And then you just scroll down and then go with the free plan. Go with get started, which will be on the left side. Now you need to go with download for Windows and let it download. I'll click Windows to download. It might take a few moments to download. And once the file is downloaded, you need to click on run. Just go and run the installer. And after a few steps, the installation will be complete. Once the installation has been completed, just simply go with close. You'll also need to log in with your Gmail account here and make sure to close Adobe Premiere Pro during the installation process. Once Premiere Pro is closed, the Composer plugin will be installed or updated. After that, or after installation, open up your Premiere Pro again and go to the Windows section, which will be on the top left. After that, go with extensions and go with Premiere Pro, which will be on the right side. There you will see a lot of presets available, including your text, presets, transactions, sound effects, and many more. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.